Hello. Hi everyone. Good afternoon. So guys, as part of the today's session, I just want to give you a small example on scroll down, scroll up, swipe left, swipe right, all those things. Whenever you are working on an APM mobile automation, it's but much more a complex thing where you need to identify the coordinates of the screen or the desired object to perform that activity. Whereas here, it's not that much complex. It's a damn easy thing that we have as part of this XUI test. So the only thing that you need to do is swipe up, swipe down, swipe left, swipe right. These are the four methods that you can use. So as of now, what I'm doing right now means once after you launch this UI catalog app, swipe down, swipe up, left and a right. And this situation, you don't have a left and right operations in your application. That's the reason they don't work. So how this swipe up and a swipe down will work means assume that your application is having this vertical swipe. Okay, vertical scroll basically. In such situations, this up and down will work. Whereas left and right means certain applications has a banners where you need to change these banners. In such situations, you are gonna use this swipe left and as well as a swipe right method to handle this particular activity. Swipe left and as well as a swipe right. So in the current example on the home screen, we can scroll down, scroll it a bit down. So that's the reason I just added a swipe down and a swipe up methods. And let me run this particular logic and see. If your application is having the left and a right, then we can use this swipe left and a swipe right. But as of now, the vertical swipe is happening. This is the way how exactly you can scroll down or scroll up a particular application screen. Okay. Perfect. Done the deal. See you in the next session.